Okay, so I was driving up the road and I saw all these Coke vending and cooler machines. Some look vintage, some look a bit more modern. And it looks like they are for sale. Just kind of a neat thing to come across and see. Maybe they're not that new. These look all vintage. So there's all of them. There's 9 total. There's some serial numbers. I don't know if there's any date on there. It's hard to tell, but I can read it after. That's kind of neat. This is a very identical machine as that one. This one looks similar, but it's smaller. That's kind of cool. That one's cool. This one looks to be possibly the oldest one. And this cooler. Pretty cool. A lot of vintage Coca-Cola vending soda machines.